Welcome to early season Laker fishing. All we use is a 1/16 ounce white jig head with a 4-inch Berkley minnow. Enjoy the video. This is an epic day.
Can you turn my live well on, please? I think it's in the fish's mouth right now. There we go. Got a fish on. See, cast it towards shore. Didn't see anything on the radar. I fucking told you, brother. Oh. Dude. Oh. That's a 55. That's a 55. There we go. One more and then we'll start putting them on your boat. That's another 55 to 57, I'd say.
Come on, baby. Just, okay. Got it? Okay, let me measure it. Watch my rod there.
56, 57, I'd say.
Yeah, 58.
58 as well. Yeah. Small one or? Oh, small one. Hand bomb it? Small one. So I'll show you the first one, and if you think you could do it, then I'll just give you the rest of the spool. I have another one anyway.
Alright, so we're both using the Berkley 4-inch minnow on both boats. The only thing is they have braided line and we have full fluorocarbon line on ours. So I give them some 6-pound fluorocarbon leader and show them the double uni knot. And we are both fishing with the Berkley 4-inch minnow with a 1/16 ounce jig on there. White and blue.
You have them both knots, you pull them into each other. There you go, and then you just cut the tag ends. And that's it. It's easy as that.
Oh. Fish on! Yeah. It's definitely bigger.
Tying on a really light fluorocarbon leader changes the presentation of that jig immensely to the point where you can start catching even if you have braided line.
Yes, fish on! There you go! Yeah. Woo!
You're on camera, bro. You're on camera. Give her. Stand up, brother. So you can get him. Don't lose it, don't lose it.
Holy yeah, buddy. That's huge. What is it? It's a fucking Laker. Max, don't you it up, man. Anthony, come here with your net.
I'm not getting a video, don't you worry. Okay, one sec. Here, give me the net. Give me the net, Jonathan. Hold on. Give me the net. Give me the net.
It's huge!
Give me that. Give me that. The net.
Get him, Max. Get him.
Oh. That's too easy.
Use this one.
Got him. No. Oh, no. Here.
Yeah! Buddy, look at that fish!
Holy! I'm sorry. I'm a woman. I'm not supposed to know.
Oh, that's hilarious. Let me see this.
That's a fucking.
How big was yours, Jonathan? How big was yours?
That's probably a 70. 68. Beauty. Wet.
Just by oh, okay. I thought you were scanning it.
Pretty eyes, eh? Bulging.
6.3.
6.3.
That's it?
Look at this, Sean's catch.
That's a nice fish.
That's gonna make some beautiful fillets, brother.
The fluoro strikes again.
See how you net a fish, buddy? Nice.
Good job. Still, probably a keeper. Stay down.
Bring him over here to the side.
Down.
Get back, get back, get back.
Trying to keep her down though.
You had her up though. It's perfect. Yep.
Boom.
Boom.
Is that it? I think it's too small, but that's still awesome. Oh, fish shot!
Oh, you bitch.
Get him out of the net. Get him out of the net.
Not that big though.
Yo, look at that hook set. Anthony, look at that. I don't think it gets any more perfect than that.
Oh no, not that big. Good though.
Look at that hook set.
There we go. Get the net, get the net, get the net, get the net. He's right here, he's right here.
You're up, Kyle.
Kyle.
Here, grab it. Here.
Come on, guys, somebody. Holy guys. Jesus
Bring him
Christ.
here, bring him here. He's tiny. Just flip him in.
Flip him in. I'm not going to flip that in. Oh, shit.
I feel your touch, I feel your pain, I feel your fantasy.
We're so fucking.
Slippery slope. Yeah, give me. Come on, Kevin, get it in. I've been recording this whole time. That's
Oh,
hilarious.
that's a good fish, dude.
Get it in. Get it in.
There's your last one, buddy.
Come on, come on, come on. We can fish for whitefish after. Yeah, well, obviously. Well, no, that's what I mean. It's our last.
Oh, he's close.
Oh, that might be close. Yeah, I don't think that's it. That's like 47 after.
Okay, video after.
Measure them just in case, because I could be wrong. Oh, it's a 52.
Yeah, good fish.
Okay, just keep fighting it. I'm gonna turn on this camera. Us too. Right here, right here.
Let's go.
I don't think it's a keeper. It looks kind of small. Looks a little small.
Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah. Jonathan, it's your turn. You get it out, get it out.
55.
Okay, come on, come on, come on. Okay, I'll net it myself.
Good.
I'm gonna net it myself.
Here.
I'm gonna net it myself. No, no, you're gonna f it up. Just deal with your fish.
That's what I'm saying. I'm just putting it in position for you.
Okay, I'll put you in the position. All right, netting my own keeper right here. Oh, no, no, you. Yeah, this is a keeper for sure. Yeah.
Let's go, double header.
Woo! Okay, we need a picture of this. Hold it the other way, bro. Look at John.
Ready?
Get out of here.
Kevin's looks bigger.
Well, I don't know, but I don't think any of these are.
'Cause I'm
Actually, this
closer.
one might be.
Here you go.
Oh, jaboo boo boo.
Dude, they're gorgeous.
Yeah, it's 56. 56. Do we put it in? Yeah, we put it in. Well,
Oh yeah.
yeah, dude. Oh, there we go.
They smell the same, right?
Throw the other one. Throw the other one.
Yeah. This one looks better. Bring it.
Oh, let's go!
Look at that net drop.
Day.
Selective harvest.
Let's fucking chill, bro. Chill.
Chill, bro. Yo, that's like a 62. For sure, it's a 62. Here, let me move your feet. 60. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, wait, hold on. I got it. Give me the net. Where's the net?
You're on it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
That is a keeper though.
That's a keeper.
That
Actually,
means we need to stay now, boys.
measure. Look at
Oh, and you
these.
got a whitefish.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm not scaling that fish though.
I got that, and that.
look at that. Look at that.
Well, what an amazing fishing day that was. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Ciao.